Guys, this coronavirus is spreading bad. It's like a big deal or something. Lydia, dear, if we stay together, nothing bad will happen. Right, guys? Well, I'm honestly tired of sticking together with y'all guys because you're really annoying. Hey, I'm not that annoying. You have to agree, I'm somewhat awesome, right? Shush, Patrick, you're not even awesome. Now be quiet. I'm trying to do my online homework. You started talking first. Patrick, leave your sister alone. When she says to stop talking, you stop talking. May you both be quiet? Oh, wow. Another reported case of the corona in our city. This is crazy, Mom. You have to keep us safe or make masks or something. I can't just stay in the house all the time. It's so... Ugh, I just don't like it. Oops. I think that's my Chipotle. You better get it from me, Mom, please. Anything for you, dear. Step right in. Hello, yes, I'm the Chipotle person. Ooh, Mama Dog. Here's your Chipotle, and if you need any... Hi. Oh, hello. Is this your Chipotle order? Because I'm going to need $10 off of that. Yeah, it is actually, but can I have your phone number instead? Miss, I have a care. You're going to love me either way. Sweetie, let the poor guy go and give him the $10. Yes, you can keep the bag. I'm going to leave now. Oh, my dog. Sweetie. What's the problem with you guys? I just coughed. Okay, let's get out of here. Okay, I'm coming with you. Take your stupid Chipotle. Oh yeah, get free Chipotle. Guys, make sure to come back. I don't like being alone. Hours later. It's been 2 hours. Where the heck are they? What? Breaking news. A kid named Patrick Smith has been infected with corona. Just because I coughed? Really? Ugh, this is not fair. Oh, wait, hold up. As long as we're in here, we're okay. Oh, my dog.